He is an international superstar. They call him a living legend, but the woman he loves belongs to the mob. And now, they're out to own him.
Don't be a slow learner, Billy.
Billy!
If they can't buy him, they'll have to kill him.
Billy!
You don't have too many choices.
A final warning.
And so begins the game of death. Columbia Pictures presents the immortal Bruce Lee in his greatest motion picture adventure, Game of Death, starring Gig Young, Dean Jagger, Colleen Camp, Hugh O'Brien, and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar as Hakim. It begins as a matter of principle. It becomes a matter of survival.
Before and after.
Woo!
As the undisputed master of the martial arts becomes a master of disguise and the champion of the Game of Death. This is the final film of Bruce Lee. 4.5 years in production with an international all-star cast.
You lose, Carl Miller.
Bruce Lee single-handedly takes on an underworld army and fights for his life in the Game of Death. The final film of Bruce Lee. Game of Death.